now let's go on to my mod. This is just one of my mods. I used Eclipse, which is a Java tool. Eclipse. So this is Eclipse, in which there's the hierarchy, package explorer they call it. My mod. So this is one of the things I used. Main.java is where I classify all register the whole thing, and then my biomes is my new biome, which I modified. Declare the biomes. This is the declaration center where you declare that it's a thing. The register where you register what it is. Again, that's the same thing with blocks, except you register.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah. Okay. So, in which you register the.
Leave it.
So, this is the blocks where you register the blocks. You declare the blocks, but this is where you declare that it's an item, like saying, oh, this is an item. This is if you want to generate an OR at the bottom, if you want to generate an OR. And now the my entities is where you register the entities, declare that it's there, register it, then register the model, like what it looks like, and register its spawn if you want to register the way it spawns. Like, that's your stuff. The items are more straightforward. You declare them, and then you just register them, just like the biomes. And now that we're done with that, let's get to the classes. Let's take let's do items. Let's go see this. So let's register my armor. This is the crafting recipes, the way it's done. I did my item was a C. My projectile is R. This is like the material, how to craft them. This is the characteristics of each sort of. This is the characteristics of each sort of thing, like this sort of place. This is the characteristics of each armor thing. Now the bow, it's quite different. So you register this, and then at the end over here, return. Like, what does it go to? When you shoot the bow, what does it do? It says return my arms 1, arrow 1. It shoots arrow 1. Now let's see, arrow 1. Where are you? Right here. So my arrow 1, what does it return? My entity arrow. Now when it's shot if it's in the quiver, it's normal. So when it's shot, when it's moving, it's a moving entity. So that would become an entity. So let's go to the entity section, projectiles, and my arrow 1. Then what does it return? When it hits the ground and it's not moving anymore, it turns into my arrow 1, which is the item, the original item. So let's just debug this, and not debug it, it's a debug mode where you can change it. So let's just test it out. While Minecraft is loading here, trying to process my world, let's show some other stuff, like an entity, something that's always an entity, like this. The entities are very complicated. You have to create an actual AI. This is the code for an AI. Alright, so, but the thing is, I took the parts of the AI from lots of different things in the original Minecraft. It would take months to create the actual AI. So what I did is that I went into the Minecraft source code and took some characteristics from each AI and declared them as here. So like, most of the AI's contributes are from the libentity_wolf, like entity wolf. Like, if I were to go to libentity_wolf, if I wanted to go to that class, which I can't because it'll take a long time to go there, then I would see a lot of these attributes. But then I also have some overridden attributes in which they're AI attributes. See init entity AI, but I'll just show you over here. So here, single player. This is showcase thingy. New world. There. Create new world. This is sort of like, and you will spawn in my biome because I made every biome my biome. That's what I did. World building. terrain. It's gonna take a few seconds. The cool thing is you can see how much percentage it is right here. It's almost done, almost done, almost done. It's done. Alright, so let's see. There. I made the sky green because why not? And yeah, this is my biome. See, there are lots of wait, no, this isn't my biome. Whatever, my biome's somewhere else, but there are lots of wolves here. So let's go see. This is my dark crystal items in which I created this Herobrine severed head, and then this is let's take no. Custom GUI. Yeah, let's just show these things first. Alright, so first, the block. This is probably very important. It's like an animation. It spawns randomly. This has a custom GUI or GUI interface in which I can put things right here and they would make these things. This, probably my favorite. No, this is my item. And then this is a sword that I created. Sword. Test you out and you wolf. It names the wolf Derek. Not Derek, something else. Names the wolf and then it kills it. Then the bow and arrow. Again, when it's loading, right here, it's an item. When it's shot, when it's in the air, it's a entity. When it's in the ground, it's an item again. Then the armor, and then this is a staff. It makes glowstone. It makes trampolines. It kills stuff. Trampolines. I just do electric. Yeah, okay. And then this is probably my favorite. The Dark Crystal Rune of Power. Makes things explode! I could do this all day! Make things explode. Yeah, so, yeah. Making things explode is cool. Oh yeah, and armor. That's the thing. Alright, so now my armor. 2, 3. I have an obsession with Spider-Man. Just saying. So now you can jump high. You can jump higher than the regular person. You have night vision. You have a jump boost, strength, speed, regeneration, fire resistance, water breathing, and night vision. It's basically your superpower suit, Iron Man suit. It's really cool. Alright, let's go find something underwater. So say, normally underwater, you would see darkness in Minecraft, but now that you have night vision, you can see actually what's underwater. Let's go find some. Oh yeah, and this is my biome. Green skies. See, you can see underwater. So yeah, that's it. That's my mod. That's just a little bit of my mod. The stuff I chose to show you, if I showed you everything, it would take more than 30 minutes in all. There's a lot more to it, like lots more that I would like to add. Actually, let me just show you another thing I created, which I love. Where are you? Combat. Miscellaneous. So it's a jet in Minecraft. It's probably my favorite thing. Yeah, other than the thing. You can fly in survival mode. Like, this is awesome. You can fly fast. It's completely awesome. And as you can see, there are particle effects as you fly. So yeah, this is just one of like 4 or 5 mods I've created. The other ones are on my other computer. Well, 2 of them are on this computer, and 2 of them, like one other is on my other computer. So yeah, this is like basically my mod. Little bits of my mod. And yeah, this is the AI. This. I'm just showing you each class, and then projectiles, vehicles, mobs, and then yeah, blocks, that sort of stuff, and biomes. Yeah, so that's basically my mod. Hope you like it. Hope you think it's cool. I worked for like a month on it. Lots of sweat and tears. So yeah, this is basically my some of my coding things, and yeah. Bye.